In this video, we're talking about 3 key steps that you need to take in order to get into personal development and keep that momentum going. Keep your energy bar charged, keep your rage full, whatever it is, keep your mana up, in order to continue through the journey of improving yourself and becoming a hero.
Have you ever stopped and thought, this is not the life I imagined living? Ever felt like you weren't making the impact that you want? Like you're not following your purpose? Have you ever dreamed about living a heroic life? Set out to slay the dragon, to save the world, to gain the loot, to experience more of life? Then this channel is here to help you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better.
What's up, team? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. It can be rough, like being a slave to the wage job, a wage slave, and just going to work and then coming home and being like, I don't have the energy to do anything. Like it sucks. I feel dead inside. I don't want to do anything with my life. And I'm actually kind of afraid to tell people that I feel this way and I'm depressed. I'm just like, I don't, all I can do is muster the energy to log on to a game and show my competency and prove myself and gain the camaraderie of my teammates. That stuff feels good, right? And it's all being pushed into this ideal self, this ideal version of yourself represented within the character that you're playing in the game. I'm definitely not against playing games. They've given me so much in my life. But there was a point where I was just like, you know what? I need to become the hero that I thought I was in the game. I need to make my life the big game adventure, the journey that's going to impact the world and change everything. And so I'm going to give you 3 tips right now, 3 mindsets that you can keep with you in order to get started on this journey. If you haven't yet, and you're on that edge, you're like, something's got to change, and I know I got to do something, but I just don't know what to do. Well, these are 3 tips to help you do that, okay? So number 1 is to challenge yourself. Like you gotta commit, and it can be rough. I understand that, but you gotta just be like, okay, things are not going to change unless I do something, and I got to do something. So challenge yourself to, in my opinion, to put some really high level goals up there. Like I'm going to be more positive. I'm going to wake up every day and smile and just be happy to be here. I'm going to reach this level goal with my finances, like 10K a month or something like that. I'm going to get into the best relationship of my life with this person who looks like this and acts like this and does this and is in this kind of life situation and had this kind of family. Get specific on it, but really set those goals high, because this is your life, dude. Like what are you gonna do? You're gonna sit there, and then eventually you're gonna look back on your life and be like, I didn't do anything. I never left the starting area. I was always in Northshire and just never did anything. And I'm still struggling to raise these sheep, and my daughter got lost and I just don't know what to do. I'm just waiting for a hero to come by and save me. You gotta do that. You gotta be that hero. And it's big. It's a lot of pressure, but you gotta challenge yourself to do it. And this goes into part 2. Take baby steps to get there, though. You have that huge goal. It's rough. I understand that. But you got to break it down into smaller baby steps and just keep working on it. Just keep working on increasing that XP bar. You're getting a little bit of XP a day, and eventually you're going to get to the next level. You're going to do stuff that's going to bring a better life to you, right? You just got to do it, and you just got to take those baby steps and just be like, I'm not there yet. I'm not at where he is. like Tony Robbins or whoever you're looking up to. I'm not there, but that's okay because I'm not here where I was anymore. Like I've gone on some quests. I've left the starting town. I'm not an NPC anymore. I'm awoken. I'm doing stuff. I'm activated. That is the person you need to look at. When you're checking like, am I making progress? I'm not feeling good about it. Like maybe I should just give up. When that's happening, look to who you were in the past after having started this journey and see that you've progressed. See that you're not level 1, not level 4 anymore, whatever it is, and that you're gaining some skills and some competencies. Because like a lot of the reason why we love the games, we, I'm there too, is because we see like ourself as somebody who has all these skills and all these talents. And we can kind of see the parts of ourself that are represented within those characters, whether it's your whole self, like I am this character, or that part of me that I'm still kind of working on getting to know, I can see that in this character. And seeing them grow and gain these skills and that power fantasy, they're impacting the world, they're changing lives. They've got all these friends, these companions, they're doing stuff. That feels good. But you can do that with your life too. You just gotta do it. You just gotta start doing stuff. And I know it sounds like I'm saying that it's easier said than done. You can just get out there and go meet people and stuff. If it were easy, you would have already done it. I understand that. You just got to do stuff. You just got to do it. And you might not feel like it's the right thing. You might not feel good about it. You might not feel like you're making progress. But if you look at it and you keep tracking the baby steps, you will do it. You will improve. You'll look back next year, even a month from now, and be like, I actually did that thing. That was cool. I talked to that person. I went out even by myself. I made some friends. I didn't play for a whole day. I was actually really productive about it. That felt good. Those are those baby steps that you keep tracking, those little mini quests that keep adding up to make you a stronger, higher level character. And the last one, number 3, something that has helped me a lot is becoming accountable for my progress and my goals and my activity. Even before I was married, even before I had a kid, which you can imagine expands on that being accountable, I just at some point was like, I figured something out that has helped me, me, and now I need to share that with other people. I need to help other people. Because if I don't, then I'm actually hurting humanity. I'm actually hurting people by not sharing my gift as passionately as possible or as much as possible. Like if I don't make a video in a week, I feel bad, because maybe that video could have helped somebody. So think about it. When you don't do something, when you don't assert yourself because you're not seeing that you are accountable to your impact on the world, then you're not going to do as much stuff and you're not going to make as big of an impact. So find ways of connecting it up, whether it's real people or not. Whether it's just like this person on the other side of the world that could use this information, that could be supported, that could be helped. Or whether it's, somebody real. Your mom, your dad, brother, sister, your dog, your friends. Somebody who could have been your friend, but it didn't work out. Whatever it is, the world needs your gift. The world needs your genius, your superpowers, your skills, your talents, your class to change it, to make a better impact, to make it better. And if you're watching this video, if you're on this channel, if you're on YouTube looking up personal development, you want something to change. I know you do. And it's got to be you that's going to change your life. You have to take the steps. You have to challenge yourself. You have to be accountable for your actions as well as your impact on the world. I know it's a heavy topic, and it can hurt, and it can feel daunting sometimes. You just keep breaking it down to smaller chunks and just take that little bit. Just do that one quest, get that 1% better every day, and you're going to look back and you're going to be like, wow, dang, I did a lot. I'm feeling better about my life. I'm helping people now. I have the skills to do things. So if this video is helpful for you, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. If you're interested in personal one-on-one coaching, please go to the channel. You can see at the banner at the top. You can see my information. You can email me directly if you're serious about doing this. It's also in the details down below. And I can help you get to that new level, that next level. Get some experience, adjust some things, properly gear up, adjust your skill set, figure out your true character, find who you are so that you don't feel empty, so that you don't feel like you're on the wrong path in life. I gotcha. Okay? Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Check out the videos over here for INFP stuff, over here for personal growth. Love you guys. Goodbye.